Packing for a long journey is something I'd liken to doing a puzzle or playing Tetris, if you get that reference. You can actually lose so hard if you don't pack properly. Welcome to another episode of our safety series. Today, we're going to show you how to pack for that long journey, win that game of Tetris, and arrive safely at your destination. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Tay, and if you're new here and you like what you see, please do the cool YouTube thing and like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode. Now, let's begin. Make a list and check it twice. Plan what you're going to pack beforehand. This gives you enough time to review, add, or remove things. This will also help on the return journey. You can check your list to make sure that you haven't left anything behind. Give yourself time. The day of departure is often stressful, so if you can, pack the day before so you're in a calm state when you drive off. Know thy car! A good understanding of your car's layout can give you more packing space than you originally thought possible. Some have space under the boot, floor, compartments, and folding rear seats. Distribute the weight. Put the heavy stuff as low and as far forward as you can. This will minimize the effect it has on your handling, and if you have to slam on the brakes and things do fly forward, they won't cause as much harm. Fill in the spaces. Pack smaller items in between the spaces created by the larger ones. This usually works better with the softer items. Keep necessities separate. If you have a cooler box filled with snacks and drinks that you know you're going to want while on the road, pack them close and don't put anything on top of them. This will minimize the disturbance to the driver as well as having loose items inside the cabin. Don't obscure. Keep your items as low as you can as to not impede the driver's view in any way. The roads are not the place for a game of peekaboo. Keep it tight. Any loose items that could otherwise be packed into something should be. You don't want stuff flying around your car if you need to accelerate or brake hard. And I got a bonus tip for you. Once you're happy with your setup, take a picture so you can remember the layout for the return trip. And that's it. A few tips to pack for that long journey. Now the trip will be so much more enjoyable and you can play I Spy with my little eye peacefully and safely. That's all the time that we have for now. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Until then, happy motoring.